What's good, everybody? AB Media 83 here. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the start menu. Now, let's just see. Let's click right over here. Wait a minute. Where's the start menu? I don't see. The start menu is supposed to be here on the left. It's supposed to be right here. Where's the start menu? Where's it at? Where's it? Where's the start menu? Where's the? Oh, to the left, to the left. To the left, to the left. Let's talk about it. What's good, everybody? AB Media 83 here. And today we're going to talk about the start menu. Now, despite my intro, I don't necessarily have a problem with them putting the start menu right here because it actually makes it better for when you're using a tablet. Now, here's the thing. I'm not using a tablet. I'm actually using a hybrid setup. I have a mouse and keyboard and I have a touch screen. So, let's take a look at the start menu for a minute here. As you can see, it's been almost completely revamped. The tiles are no more. The tiles are no more, and people aren't really using them anyway, so doesn't make much of a difference for me. And they simplified your categories for just pinned apps. So basically, this is where you put all your this is where you can put all the major applications you use. And if you need to bring something to the top, all you have to do is right click on it and move to the top. And you can organize your apps however you want to organize them. But anyway, as I said in my intro, the start menu, most people are used to the start menu being on the left over here. On this side, right here. But and actually, we can still do that in Windows 11. Right click, taskbar options, scroll down, taskbar behaviors, look at taskbar alignment, and we can change it from center to left. And as you can see, just that simple. Also, if you want to customize your start menu, first go to settings, go over here on the left, go to personalize, and as you can see right here, start. And you can customize your start menu however you like it. You can actually show it to jumpstart recent files that you've been working on. I actually have that turned off. Or you have other options you can use. Also, if you need to look up an app that's installed on your machine, click all apps and it'll give you an alphabetical order of all your installed apps. But that's all I have for this tutorial. Y'all have a good one. Peace.
Yo, this is AB Media 83. You like this content? Support the channel. The Cash App link is in the description. Be sure to check me out on social media. Those links are also in the description. And remember, keep it grinding, keep it pushing, and keep it moving. This is AB Media 83, and I'm out.